to your senses. You've been out riding fences for so long now. Oh, you're a hard one. I know that you got your reasons. These things that are pleasing you hurt you somehow. Don't you draw the queen of diamonds more? She'll meet you if she's able. The queen of hearts is always with me. Now it seems to me so bad things have been laid upon your table, but you only want the ones you can't get. Yes, why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your fences. Oh, the gate, it may be raining, but there's a rainbow above. You better let somebody love you. For it's too
And from the stage 925, clap hands.